In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock iCloud activation, whether you're dealing with a disabled Apple ID or an iPhone locked to its owner. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to regain access to your device, whether it's new or you've purchased it secondhand. Let's dive right in. Firstly, if the iPhone you're using is originally yours and you know your Apple ID, the process is fairly straightforward. You'll want to start by heading over to iforgot.apple.com. This is Apple's official platform for recovering or resetting your Apple ID password. Once on the site, follow the prompts to recover or reset your password depending on your specific situation. This might involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Once you've successfully updated your password or confirmed your credentials, return to your locked iPhone. Here, you'll need to enter your Apple ID credentials directly on the device. On the activation lock screen, input your Apple ID and the new password you've just established. After doing so, you'll need to follow any additional prompts to unlock your device. Depending on the iOS version, these prompts may vary slightly, but rest assured they're all designed to verify your identity. Once your credentials are verified, your iPhone will unlock, allowing you to proceed with its setup as you normally would. It's important to note that this process only applies if the Apple ID you're using is indeed linked to the locked iPhone. Now let's shift focus to those of you who may have purchased a second-hand iPhone and discovered it's locked to the previous owner's Apple ID. In this scenario, the best course of action is to contact the previous owner, as they're the only ones who can remove the iCloud lock. Politely ask them to remove the device from their account. Assure them that it's a straightforward process that doesn't compromise their security or data. They'll need to visit iCloud.com and sign in with their Apple ID. Once logged in, they should navigate to Find iPhone, and then to All Devices. From this list, they must select the iPhone in question and choose the option to remove from account. This action essentially detaches the device from their Apple ID, making it ready for you to set up and use as your own. After the previous owner has removed their association with the device, restart your iPhone and proceed with the normal setup process. This ensures that the activation lock has been lifted and it will no longer prompt for their credentials. And there you have it. Whether the iPhone is yours or it belonged to someone else before you owned it, these steps should help you unlock the iCloud activation. Remember to keep your Apple ID credentials safe and accessible, and always confirm the history of a device when purchasing it secondhand to avoid similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.